So I have a patient here who's 40 years old, male patient, Denny, who came to me with a chief complaint that his lower left back teeth and upper right back teeth has been shaking for about 6 months. So when I checked the medical history, there is no history of any diabetes, there is no history of any blood pressure, he's not taking any medication, he's not on any blood thinner or any medication for any disease. Then why the teeth are shaking? Why the gums are not supporting the teeth? So there is one factor which could have contributed to, that is smoking. Smoking really affects the gingival health or the gum health in a very bad way. So in smokers, the oral microflora changes and smoking makes the gum prone to have disease. So he's having actually chronic generalized periodontitis. The periodontal health is compromised. That is why the teeth are shaking. So what the treatment we need to do for him is, we need to do the deep cleaning. We need to do the laser flap surgery where we lift the flap, clean every surface of the tooth with the laser and then stitch back. In addition, when on X-ray we see if there is any bone deficiency, there is any bone loss, then in those cases we need to put the bone graft as well, which I'm going to do for him. So in his case, we are planning to give the local drug delivery, which is in the form of tetracycline fibers. So that will be given so that his infection is taken care. Bone graft will be given to strengthen his bone, and general cleaning, root planning and laser flap surgery will be done to restore his gum health and gingival health. The teeth which are shaking, we will try to stabilize them with the help of a splint, which will go from the front teeth of one side to the other side. So that will stabilize the teeth.